Nice to meet you. My name is Kwon Nisan. I live in Gangneung. I live in Hala apartment. I go to Myeongju Elementary School. I'm in the first grade.
And what are you going to do?
I'm going to tell the story.
Okay, what's your story?
Rain.
Rain. So let's talk about rain together with me, okay? So look at those girls. They are talking about something. What is important for all living things?
Rain is important for all living things.
That's right. Why is it important? Let's talk about it. So, what is rain made up of?
Rain is made up of tiny drops of water.
That's right. Those tiny drops of water, where those tiny drops of water fall from?
The drops of water fall from the clouds.
Yeah, from the
Clouds.
clouds. Point at the clouds, please. Clouds, that's right. And some of water return back to the clouds. What happened? Why?
Rainwater return to the clouds because of evaporation.
That's right, evaporation. And when it rains a lot, what happened to rivers and lakes?
Rain makes river and lakes fill up with water.
That's right. The rain makes rivers and lakes fill up with water. Good. And what does rain do for people and animals?
Rain gives people and animals water to drink.
That's right, water to drink, like this. And what does rain do for plants?
Rain makes plants grow.
That's right. And what does rain do for all our world?
Rain makes good things happen to our world.
Very good. Wow, Misan, great job. That's all about the story rain.
See, and thank you for listening.
Rain.